Hi everyone, welcome to Geotech and More. In today's video on Geotech and More, I'd like to show you this cool command line tool for GNU Linux distributions like Ubuntu and Linux Mint and Debian and Slackware, whatever GNU Linux distribution that you're using. This is also available for Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac computers, and this is called Neofetch. And what this does is it displays all your system information, just like this screenshot right here. Right here is a display, a screenshot of an Arch Linux distribution. The system information, the OS is Arch Linux 64-bit on a Lenovo computer. Right here's your kernel information, how many packages are installed, the resolution, the window manager, the theme, all that information right there. All the links will be provided in the description to this video, where you can download this. This might be in your package manager of your GNU Linux distribution. In Debian, you just look for Neofetch under the Synaptic Package Manager, and you can install it that way. Or from the command line, you put apt-get install Neofetch from command line. Of course, you need administration rights, so you have to type your password, your root password, and then you can install Neofetch that way. This is also available for Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac computers, and also other operating systems like Haiku OS and Minix and AIX operating systems. You see that? All the information is right here. So right here is my system information right here. Right here I'm running Debian. See, this is a Debian install. I'm running Debian, and here's all the Debian information. I'm running Debian GNU Linux 11 Bullseye 64-bit, and there's the host name, there's the kernel I'm using, the Linux kernel I'm using, 5.10.0-10 AMD 64. My uptime is 1 hour and 22 minutes. I have 3,896 packages installed from Deb packages. I have 25 Flatpak packages and 6 Snap packages. I'm using the Bash shell right here, and here's my resolution right here. I'm using the Mate desktop. The theme is Black Mate right here. I'm using an Intel Celeron E12000. See that? Dual core processor, 1.600 gigahertz. So it has all this information. I'm using about 2 gigs of memory on this system. It's an old system. But right here is all my information. See, I'm running Debian right here, and all the information is displayed. So the way that this comes up is you just type Neofetch once it's installed, and all your system information pops up. You give it a few seconds, and all the information will pop up. See, all the information is displayed right there. So right here is the website where you can get information about this right here. I'll put the link to this website from SourceForge in for Neofetch. See that? Right here is a product example. Right there. Here's another one. There you go. That's another example right there. So that's very cool, isn't it? You see that? So once you go to the website right there, you got your installation right here. I'll provide all the links in the description to this. It shows you all this, the table of contents. And here's for all your many distros, Alpine, Linux, even Android. There's a version for Android. There's Arch, Bunsen Labs, Crux. There's Debian right here. See that? For Debian, like I said, you just install with the apt-get command right here. See that? Right there. Sudo apt-get install Neofetch right here on Debian. This would even work on Ubuntu, because Ubuntu is Debian based. Here you got it, free BSD right here, how to install it for that, how to install it from Gentoo Linux, even the iOS and the iPad OS. For all you Apple Mac OS fans, you can install it for that. NixOS, Slackware. There's Ubuntu right here. Wait, see right here. Oh, I keep scrolling, but please give me a second here. Here you go. Here's for Ubuntu right here. Same as Debian, basically. See, Void Linux, OpenSUSE. Here's the Windows install right here. You install it from Scoop. So all the information is right here on how to install Neofetch. Available from any GNU Linux distributions like Debian, Linux, Debian GNU Linux, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Slackware, whatever GNU Linux distribution that you're using, or Microsoft Windows or Apple Mac computers. It's called Neofetch, where you can show all your system information right here. See right here, I have my Debian install on this old computer. It's working fine though, a little slow sometimes, but it's working. I have all my apps installed and stuff, no problem, that I like. I have all my games, I have my Office programs and all that. You know, everything's cool, it's working. You know, so all your system information is displayed right here. See Neofetch one more time. Just give it a second and all your system information shows up. Now you might say, you know, I don't really need this information, but it is handy once you install it. Then, you know, this has all your system information right at your hands right here once you install it. You just go to the terminal and type Neofetch and all your system information pops up. So that's, you know, really cool. So all the links will be provided in the description. Here's Neofetch right here on SourceForge. Here's the installation information, table of contents and all that for all your distributions, including free BSD and even Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac computers. See that? Apple Mac for all you Apple Mac fans out there. For all your Microsoft Windows fans, it's available for that. And for all you GNU Linux distribution fans, there you go. It's all right here. So there you go. I invite you to subscribe to Geotech and More. Thanks for watching. And take care, everyone. Bye now.